Welcome everyone, welcome to ZealPlex, and in this tutorial I'm going to go and create actual layers over here which you can see, and you will get familiar with what are the things we are going to do and work on it. As we have selected this one, so what I need to do is basic one. I'm going to go and see what are keeping over here. You will go and get the name of all the section, and you will get the option that what is the tool saying, what is the name of the tool. Just go and keep it over here and you will get some drop down, and it is showing you that what is the title of what is the name of the tools. So as this is named as, or wait, this is saying rectangle tool, so I'm going to click on it and it is automatically, and so as you see that there is most basically you will have this white color as the background is white. Same way it was not going to be much more convenient, so I'm going to click on it, and like as you see I clicked on the first one. You can change it by clicking on it and it will go and twist it like that. So this is the first one, so I'm going to click on the first one, and then here I'm going to get this option saying color picker, so you can go and change, like selecting all this. Like I'm going to keep the red color right now, or you can go click green, blue, and it's up to you, it doesn't matter. So I'm gonna click on keep on red, and here you can go and keep it like here is the white one and here is the black. So you can go and choose, this will be the most red one, and this will be like some dark, somewhat red and black getting meshed, and it is becoming a dark, and here it is becoming much more lighter. So as you click on it over here, it is showing me the color which is getting appeared over here, and this is the color code. Later on you will understand about the color code, but it doesn't matter because you can see it over here. So hit on OK, and as you see this color is appearing over here and it also appearing over here. So as I have selected this rectangle tool, so I'm just going to go and keep a rectangle, and it automatically get the color inside the background, and then I'm going to click on it, so it is automatically getting updated, and there you have this placed. So I'm going to click on it and this image is getting placed, and as you are seeing the video, it automatically get like layer background, and there we have another layer. So after that we have rectangle, and then we are going to get and click on text, and then we can go and select keep the text much more brighter by selecting like this, or just and you can just go on and type like I selected the text, and I'm going to click OK. As you know that I selected this one, so all the section which were over here all getting connected. So as I have a big line appearing over here, it's because my size is 150 pt stands for how many size are there. So as you see there is a drop down menu, and there is still like 72 pt, so it will be small, and you can change it by clicking over here whatever your number you want. So I selected this one and I selected this one, it is automatically 72px because I selected over here. So I will name it, for example, hello. Okay, you can't see HELLO, you can't see this. So what's the reason behind that is there is the same color as it is appearing over here, and so I'm going to go and keep the color, for example dark brown. But still it is not appearing because I have not selected, so I'm going to click on it, press the button and hold the drag, and you see that everything is been selected, and then I will click and keep color, for example blue. So I'm going to hit OK and then click over here. So as you see there is a hello saying over here, but you see that font is different from your computer and my computer is different. For the reason behind that is I have text over here, and this is the section I'm going to get all of the option that what kind of a phone do I need to use, and you can also download it from the Google. So if you want to know, I will add a tutorial on that how you can go on and add from Google and install it in a Photoshop. So you can see there are a bunch of files. I clicked on this one and this is the image I'm getting. I clicked on this one, so this size is changed and the font is also changed, and keep samples, so it is much more smaller, but this one looks much more legit and big, so I selected this one. So it is saying hello, and there you see there are layers getting created. So this layer is of no use. I had selected this one, but as I was teaching you about layers, I had added this one. So I'm going to click on it, and then here we have a dustbin. So I'm going to see there is a pop-up saying delete layer. So I'm going to hit OK, and it will going to start delete this layer 1. So I'm going to hit yes, and then you can go and from the layer section you can do pretty much other stuffs as well. So and you see there is a layer saying over here, and there are a bunch of files which is showing over here that whatever we do over here, it is going to get selected from this layer and it is going to apply it on the layer of what we have selected over here. So we can go and change the layer, and from the layer we can do an adjustment of it. So it is saying hello, but I think white background doesn't look quite good. So for that, what I am going to do is go into my Google, and there is a Google. Okay, what is that? Okay, it's her birthday, 107th birthday, 107th birthday. So for example, what I need to do is, okay, I'm going to go and add forest forest background. So okay, this quite good image, so I'm going to go and click on images, and let's see, forest looks quite good. Wow, this image looks amazing. Darker images, I think that will be much more creative. Okay, let's see, it's taking much more time. You can go and select this one. Okay, no, I think this one is quite good, so I'm going to go and view image. So your image is getting open. It is taking much more time, but sorry for that. The image is taking time. Okay, here we have the image, and then I'm going to right click on it and save image as. And as for the tutorial, whatever you are working, just go and save it on the desktop. After you have made the files and you have completed everything you need to do, you can go and go to particular folder which you are working. So I'm going to go on desktop, and then I'm going to see there is a image name is like GUI, somewhat like that. So I think I'm going to go on and like dark forest, name it dark forest, and a file type will be JPEG. So I'm going to save it. It doesn't matter what file we are there, as you see the images there. So I'm going to go and go on file, and then I'm going to place linked, and then we have go to desktop, and here is dark forest. So here you see there's a dark forest coming over here, and you see there is option like getting a wrong sign, or you can say X sign. So it is basically doing is you can go and change it, like as you have touchscreen you can zoom it like this, but it's a computer, you don't have a touchscreen on your computer, you can't move it from your finger, so that's bad. So we have a mouse, so that's our touchscreen. So I'm going to click on it and keep it over here. As you see that there is an arrow, and then we get little up and down arrow, and then we get like the sign which is showing over here, that sign is coming over here. So it will going to go and see it is changing like how we clicked on it, and then you can go and twist it like this and that. So I did it over here, so I can do it over here as well. So it is called tinting, like going twist. Okay, then I'm going to keep it over here. So as you see, there is a background over here, and then I'm going to go and keep it, for example, like this. I think that's much more better. And then I'm going to keep it much more bigger, so I'm going to hit on it, and it is being placed in a file. So as you see that we have a file, and we have rectangle, and rectangle is gone, but hello is still there. The reason behind that is file is above this rectangle and below the hello. So as you see it over here, it is upside or downside. The layer is according working like that. So I'm going to keep a rectangle and move it like this. As you see that finger is grabbing something, and keep it inside over the layer. So as you see, the layer is appearing over here, and it is saying hello. And we have also gone on in the browser and downloaded this file. And see you in the next one. My name is Nazir, and I'm signing out.